Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. This luxurious 2-level, 4-bedroom, 5-bathroom family home is located in the exclusive Kingston 6 suburb of Shortridge. This home offers no end of amazing fixtures and fittings that rightfully gives it the title of an executive residence. There are 2 primary bedrooms, with one located on the lower level, thoughtfully catering for all ages. All bedrooms are ensuite with double vanity, bath, and shower stall. You will be captivated by the first floor with its home office, open plan living space, and walk out into a covered entertainment area with retractable awning. The large kitchen is well appointed with state-of-the-art stainless steel dishwasher, walk-in pantry, and many other additions to make this a special place that could easily become the center of the home. The laundry area is located off the kitchen with staff accommodation easily accessible. Walk out to the fully fenced pool or enjoy the additional entertainment areas around it while enjoying the numerous fruit trees or rose garden. Pets are also allowed. The land area of this house is approximately 17,926 square feet. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The rental price for this house is US 7,500 or Jamaican $1.15 million per month. To rent this house, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.